So this is one of our accounts that we're trading. This is one of our smaller accounts. So May 7th to May 14th. That's literally a week, right? Let's see how much money we started with. A deposit of 0.18 Bitcoin, and we made a profit of 0.31. So we just about doubled that money for a total of 1.2 Bitcoin. And then it just keeps going up. 1.19, 1.6, 2, 2.4, 2.4, 3, 3.1, 3.0, 3.6, 4.5, 4.9, 4.9, 4.9. We were up to 7, but the last dip dropped us down. Actually, no, it didn't, did it? Because there's no, these are all just completed. Here, look. There's one deposit in here for 0.1 Bitcoin, 0.1 Bitcoin. Everything else is realized profit. Here's a minus, here's a little loss, 0.02 Bitcoin loss. Let's see if there's 0.09 Bitcoin. Ouch, that hurt. 0.09 Bitcoin. And 0.001, this hasn't happened yet. So anyway, yeah, it is possible to go from under 1 Bitcoin up to 5 Bitcoin in a week. And we're just now getting started. And this is only one account. This isn't this account, it's not this account, and it's not even this account, which are doing even better. Just wanted to show you a mediocre kind of account.